Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Mobile DVR and the significance of having this device installed in your vehicle. Our Mobile DVR includes AI deep learning algorithms as well as driving aid technologies like ADAS, DMS, and BSD. It also features Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity, allowing car owners to remotely monitor and view their vehicles. A GPS function that allows fleet owners to find all of their vehicles, as well as a G sensor that protects the vehicle when parked in an unfamiliar location. So, why is the Mobile DVR important when driving a car? Here are the reasons why. A cargo truck driver travels through regions transporting valuable items. He then decided to pull over to the side of the road and sleep for a bit. When he awoke, all of the loads had vanished, and when he examined the Mobile DVR footage, he discovered that the thief had been filmed and handed the evidence to the police. A Mobile DVR footage is useful for business transportation because the product being transported can be more valuable than the vehicle itself. As a result, it is advised that a Mobile DVR be installed in each truck for load and vehicle protection. Nevertheless, having a Mobile DVR is not just for recording of road accidents. It can become less serious than that. Just like these videos caught on cam. Installing a Mobile DVR is critical regardless of whether your vehicle is small or you are in a transporting business that uses cargo trucks. A Mobile DVR can not only save you money on false incident accusations or vehicle load theft, but it can even save your life. If you enjoy traveling with your family, keeping them safe and secured while traveling is a vital priority, and that is the primary function of a Mobile DVR. That's it. I hope you liked this video. See you again soon, bye.